Gitignore style Fnmatch. What would be the simplest way to have Gitignore style Fnmatch with Python? Looks like that stdlib does not provide a match function which would match a path spec against an Unix style path regex. Fnmatch matches only pure file names, no paths, this URL. Glob will perform directory listing and does not provide match true false style function, this URL. Gitignore have both paths and files with wildcards to be black listed. This URL. This URL.
If you want to use mixed Unix wildcard patterns as listed in your .gitignore example, why not just take each pattern and use fnmatch.translate with re.search? Translate turns the wildcard pattern into a repattern. Hidden Unix files.
There's a library called pathspec which implements the full .gitignore specification, including things like /.py. The documentation describes how to handle Git pattern matching. You can also see code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.